Antarctica has always had a special place in my heart, not because, of anything else, but for the fact that I was introduced to this at a very young age, and I was a member, as you all know, of the first ever Indian expedition to Antarctica that was done 45 years ago. And I always enjoy, enormously talking about it. And if you let me do it, I'd probably talk about it for hours together. But today's talk in your auditorium was really wonderful. I mean, it was lovely to see a packed auditorium with bright young students. And some of them were so informed. I was really pleasantly surprised that these little kids know about Gondwana land theory, that land was all together and they separated 200 million years ago, and so on. It was a lovely experience. And going by the questions that came at the end of the talk, they were wonderful questions, very relevant questions, and I really enjoyed myself. So thank you again for inviting me.